How to fix Wait Are You Human captcha appearing on the Discord. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the source bar and type Discord. Now once you're done, simply tap on search. Now tap on Discord and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on the device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Tap on app management. Now tap on the source bar and type Discord. Now go to Discord, click on force stop. Now go to storage usage. Now tap on force stop. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now restart the Discord. I hope this will fix it soon. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.